Hi, I'm RJ Miranda. I'm so glad na tinignan mo ang USANA Health Sciences. Inintroduce sa akin ang USANA last quarter ng 2011. And at that time, naghahanap talaga ako ng source of income. And my family has serious health problems din. So it was very timely. So what is USANA? It's a health and wellness company. Basically, we encourage and teach people how to properly take good care of their health. And at the same time, nagbibigay kami ng opportunity para magkaroon ng source of income. At first, hindi ko naisip na magbe-benefit ako dito as a registered nurse by profession. But I was intrigued by the fact that an engineer is doing this as a business. So I decided to take a look. And surprisingly, ito yung pinakamagandang decision ko sa career ko. Ikaw, anong sitwasyon mo ngayon? Do you have the income that you want? Do you have the health that you want? Do you have time freedom? Kung ang sagot mo dyan ay hindi, perhaps USANA is the answer. Our company started in 1992 at Salt Lake City, Utah, USA. We have a beautiful state-of-the-art facility there. Dito naman sa Philippines, nag-start noong 2009 and our office is located at Makati City sa HSBC Building, the Enterprise Center, Tower 1. Para mas maintindihan mo ang USANA, let's start from our founder. Dr. Myron Wentz is a renowned microbiologist and immunologist. Recipient siya ng very prestigious Albert Einstein Award for Outstanding Achievement in Life Sciences. Pinut up niya yung Gallup Laboratories noong 1970s, specializing in disease diagnosis, and he created the first diagnostic test for Epstein-Barr virus. Then he shifted to preventive medicine and founded USANA Health Sciences, a $600 million company now operating in 19 different countries and publicly traded in NASDAQ. And dahil sa exponential growth nito, we are now trading at New York Stock Exchange, the largest stock market in the whole world. Because of that, we are awarded the #1 distributor's choice for 16 years running. Pero ang pinaka-nagustuhan ko talaga sa USANA is that it stands for True Health. And as we all understand, ang kalusugan po ay nagsisimula talaga sa cellular level. At pati rin ang mga top leading cause of death sa cells din po nagsisimula. Diabetes, heart attack, high blood, stroke, and cancer. Ito yung mga tinatawag nating tridor na sakit. And ang nagkukos sa mga hindi nakakahawa ngunit nakamamatay ng mga sakit na to ay mga poor lifestyle choices. Most especially yung tinatawag nating free radical or oxidative damage. Ano ba ang free radicals? Ito yung damage sa cells natin dahil sa pinaghalo-halong unhealthy lifestyle, unhealthy diet, radiation, pollution, pagod, puyat, at stress. For example, imaginein mo na ang healthy cells natin ay bakal. Ang free radicals naman ay kalawang. So kung yung bakal kinapitan ng kalawang, rurupok yan, masisira. Tama ba? Ganon din po ang cells natin. Dahil sa liit ng mga to, hindi natin nararamdaman or namamalayan ang damage na dulot ng free radicals. Pero pag extensive na yung damage, in just one click, pwede nating ikamatay. But it's a good thing na meron tayong panlaban sa mga free radicals. Ito yung mga tinatawag nating antioxidants. Kaya kung napapansin nyo, ang daming mga products in the market na may antioxidants like ketchup, may lycopene na, omega-3, yung mga coffee natin, dishwashing liquid, just to name some. Ang best source ng antioxidant natin is fruits and vegetables. Pero sa totoo lang, kumakain ba tayo ng sapat na amount ng fruits and vegetables every meal, every day? Honestly, for myself, hindi ko talaga nagagawa yon. At isipin din natin, hindi na rin ganun ka-healthy yung preparation ng mga foods natin ngayon, lalo na yung mga fast foods. So ang ginawa ng mga doctors and scientists, in-extract na lang nila yung mga nutritional needs natin from different food sources, tsaka nilagay sa tablet form, para hindi na tayo mahirapan sa effort at gastos. Isa or dalawang tablets na lang, nasagot na yung nutritional needs natin to maintain a healthy body and para ma-prevent natin mga diseases. Kaya lang, sa dami ng naglabasan ng supplements ngayon, hindi na natin alam kung ano yung pinakamagandang i-take natin. Hindi na tayo sigurado. So, dapat natin i-consider itong 5 things na to. Number 1, complete ba siya? Meron ba siyang vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants? Number 2, is it balanced? For example, pag may vitamin C, dapat may vitamin E and A na rin. Is it potent? Mabisa ba to? At exact yung laman? Bioavailable ba ito? Meaning, kapag tinake mo ba, na-absorb na kaagad ng katawan at walang nasayang? And number 5, ito yung pinaka-importante, dapat safe. Yung kahit gamitin mo ng tuloy-tuloy at matagal, walang harmful effect sa katawan natin. Kaya dinevelop ng USANA ang main product natin, which is Essentials. The highest rated, most comprehensive, and complete combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. From the word itself, ito po yung mga essential nutrients na ginagamit ng katawan natin everyday, kaya kailangan din natin palitan yan every single day. It has the most amount of available antioxidants today, and one of the most potent is yung olive oil extract na kayang proteksyonan ang mga brain cells natin against damage, thus improving memory and brain function. At kaya rin niyang increase ang good cholesterol natin at i-decrease naman ang bad cholesterol. Up to cellular level ang kayang i-replenish at i-regenerate nito. Basically, hindi natin nararamdaman pero naaayos na pala ang mga cells natin. Taking essentials, ito po yung 5 main physical effects na magmamanifest po sa katawan natin. Number 1, better sleep quality. Kahit 3 to 4 hours lang po yung tulog natin everyday, nakakapagpahinga tayo ng maayos. And because of that, number 2, feeling natin well-rested tayo, magkakaroon tayo ng extra stamina during the day. Energized tayo na gumawa ng other activities. And we have better metabolism na nagagamit lahat ng energy natin. And kung yung speed ng paggamit ng energy natin, na-improve yan. Nagkakaroon din tayo ng good bowel movement. Ang one cause kasi ng colon cancer is constipation. So maganda pag yung bowel movement natin is very regular. And number 5, dahil sa mga antioxidants na yan, nagkakaroon tayo ng healthier, more radiant skin. And we also have a wide array of optimizers na pwede nating i-combine with our essentials para from the word itself, ma-optimize yung effect nito sa katawan mo. Kung may gusto kang i-address na sakit, karamdaman, or kung may gusto kang i-improve sa kalusugan mo. Proflavanol C100 is a combination of bioflavonoids na mas potent pa sa vitamins A, C, and E. This is good for your cardiovascular health. It has anti-allergy, anti-inflammatory, binuboost din ng immune system natin, and it will give us healthier, younger-looking skin because of the collagen-forming vitamins nito. Maganda rin to sa mga mataas yung blood pressure and sa mga may varicose veins. Sa mga marami pong pimples din, maganda rin po ito. Ito namang Coquinone 30 natin is good for the heart. May coenzyme Q10 na 3 times na mas potent than other brands. Maganda po ito sa mga nagkaroon ng heart diseases, sa mga may sakit sa puso, sa mga naatake, maganda to. Sa mga hindi rin magkaanak, ang ginagawa kasi, ini-increase yung sperm motility ng lalaki and ina-enhance yung fertility ng babae. Kaya rin niya itong babaan yung blood cholesterol levels natin. Sa mga diabetic naman, ina-aid niya yung pancreas na mag-synthesize or mag-produce ng insulin para maayos yung blood sugar natin. Sa mga may heavy activities, maganda rin ito. Biomega is our fish oil. May omega-3 at DHA, good for the heart and good for the brain. It enhances brain functioning and condition. Maganda rin to for dry eyes and joint lubrication. And syempre, para sa mga matataas ang cholesterol, binababa niya yung cholesterol levels. Ang kaibahan po natin sa ibang products, may lemon extract na rin para walang fishy aftertaste. May added advanced dosage din ng vitamin D for anti-cancer at 100% free from lead, mercury, and other heavy metals na pwedeng mag-damage sa internal organs natin. Hepasil para sa liver health naman. Nire-repair at dinedetoxify po niya ang liver cells. Para sa mga mahilig uminom, sa mga malakas uminom, sa mga madaming maintenance drugs na tinitake. Sa mga may kidney or gallstones naman, kaya niyang i-fluidize. And it can also prevent and treat hepatitis A and B and liver cirrhosis. So we have glutathione activator din para sa mga gustong magpaputi. For our bone and muscle health, active calcium is our product. Meron siyang broccoli extract and it has boron, silicon, and vitamin K for bone mineralization. Activated na rin po yung calcium natin because it has advanced dosage ng vitamin D. And hindi siya nagkakos ng calcium oxalate stones dahil chelated na or nasala na ng mabuti yung minerals. Brocosa 2 sa mga may arthritis, rheuma, or problema sa mga bones and cartilages. It has glucosamine sulfate na nagre-repair at nagpro-protect sa joints and cartilages natin. And it has also a turmeric extract na anti-inflammatory at natural pain reliever. For our eye health naman, it's Vision X. It has lutein and zeaxanthin that repairs our eyes from retinal damage at pinoprotect din from radiation and UV rays. It has bilberry extract na rin na nagko-control ng blood pressure sa mata natin. Sa mga madalas naman magpuyat, sa mga, for example, nurses, nag-duty, call center agents, security guards, makakatulong din ang Pureless naman sa magandang pagtulog natin. Pinapaganda niya ang quality ng sleep natin at napakaganda ng wake cycle natin. So remember, a good sleep provides a lot of health benefits. Pero matanong ko lang, do you think more about diseases or weight loss? Most probably, ang isang sasagot ng karamihan, weight loss. So ang susunod na product ng USANA is USANA Food for weight management. This is our Nutri-Meal, a low glycemic, well-balanced shake meal in 3 flavors. Meron niyang strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. If you want to lose weight, ang gagawin mo lang is i-replace yung meals from breakfast, lunch, and dinner with Nutri-Meal. Money back guaranteed po, lose 10 pounds in 10 days if you follow our reset program. Pwede rin kayong mag-take ng minimal amount of low glycemic foods. Hindi kayo manghihina or magkaka-LBM. If gusto nyo namang magpataba or mag-gain ng weight, idagdag mo lang ang Nutri-Meal sa pagkain mo everyday. Our third product line is our skincare called Sensei or Beautiful Science. What you put in your skin dissolves in your bloodstream within minutes. Usually, karamihan ng skincare products sa market may chemical preservative or yung tinatawag nating parabens, which can cause harmful effect for prolonged use. Ang maganda sa Sensei natin, all organic and water-based. At ang ginagamit natin na anti-aging technology is Regenesomes, the most advanced natural anti-aging technology. So multi-awarded at top-rated ang mga products ng USANA. Sa manufacturing pa lang, makakasigurado ka na highest quality at safe ang paggawa sa mga products dahil tayo lang ang nutritional supplements na pharmaceutical quality. From raw materials to manufacturing, meticulous talagang chine-check ang mga products sa FDA-registered at FDA-approved na state-of-the-art facilities natin. So, meron tayong zero tolerance for error dahil every 15 minutes, tinetest yung tablets natin, yung productions natin. That's the USANA difference. Kaya nga po sa book na NutriSearch Comparative Guide to Nutritional Supplements, kung saan ni-research lahat ng available supplements sa US and Canada at ni-rate ang mga ito, tayo po ang nagkakuha ng pinakamataas na ratings. Nandito po yung mga example na products like Nature's Way Alive, GNC, Kirkland, and even yung pinaka-popular na product dito sa Philippines din, yung Centrum. Makikita nyo dyan na ang rating is very shocking, 0 and 1/2 over 5. Pero yung mga products po natin sa USANA, nakuha yung 5-star gold at Editor's Choice Award. Lahat po ng products na to dumaan sa extensive scientific research in these 18 criteria, from completeness to potential toxicity. And we're very proud to say that our products are the most comprehensive and well-balanced, highest quality and safest nutritional supplement. Tayo ang nutritional supplements. So tayo pong mga ordinary people, we entrust our health to medical professionals or sa mga doctors. Our doctors naman, they entrust our health to their references. It's a good thing that our products are also listed on the medical references of doctors. Our products are trusted, recommended, and used by doctors. As you can see in the slide, kasali tayo sa MIMS, sa Physician's Desk Reference, and here sa Philippines yung PPD or the Philippine Pharmaceutical Directory. Nandyan po lahat ng products ng USANA, every single product, at makikita natin walang contraindication, walang drug interaction or precaution. Ganun po ka-safe at effective ang products natin sa USANA. So our products are trusted, recommended, and used by doctors as well as international and local athletes na ang puhunan ay katawan, like Manny Pacquiao, Timothy Bradley, and most of our users are Olympians. And pati po mga prominent personalities at celebrities, ginagamit din po ang products natin, like sa mga pictures po na nasa slide ngayon. I love all our 3 product lines. You can address disease prevention, energy, weight management, skin health. Lahat ng individual needs natin na-address talaga. And I'm very sure marami kang nakilala from your family and circle of friends na magbe-benefit sa napakagandang products na USANA. And even yourself, magbe-benefit ka rin. I wanna ask you another question. Ano ang mas pinaprioritize ng karamihan? Is it health or finances? Sa totoo lang, I think the answer is finances. Karamihan ng tao willing i-compromise ang kanilang kalusugan for their finances. So USANA has an incredible business opportunity that is associated with both your health and your finances. Sa trabaho or sa ginagawa mo ngayon, how many ways do you get paid? I think maybe 1 or 2. Your salary or commissions, and perhaps a Christmas bonus. Sa USANA, we have 6 different ways para kumita. Naniniwala ako na mas magiging successful ka if you have multiple sources or ways of income. In speaking of income, we have 2 kinds of income. In employment, you have that linear income. No work, no pay. In USANA naman, we have residual income, which is yung parang nagpatayo ka ng tender apartment mo, naghanap ka ng tenants, by the end of the month, may ina-expect ka ng income kahit wala kang ginagawa. So, how to get that residual income? We have 6 ways of earning in USANA. Number 1, first is yung retailing natin. So, from buying the products at a discounted price, meron ka ring 25% na mas mataas na sales profit. For example, yung essentials natin, kikita ka ng 850 pesos. Let's say, 5 yung nabenta mo in a month. So, 850 times 5, there's 4,250 in a month. Second is weekly commissions. So, every single product ng USANA may corresponding points. As you can see in the slides, yung mga products natin, malalaki or matataas yung points. And yung points naman, converted into weekly dollar commission. So, paano po tayo nakakapag-accumulate ng points? In 1 week, Friday, this week, for example, ng 2 p.m. hanggang 2 p.m. ng next Friday, lahat ng naipon mong points ng group sales volume points mo is magiging cash yan. Makare-receive mo yung weekly commission mo on Thursday pag BDO yung bank mo. Pag other banks naman, Friday mo ma-receive. So, saan natin nakukuha yung points? From users na gagamit ng products natin, points yon. From retailers na magbebenta ng products natin, points yon. And from business partners or business builders na kukuha ng products, that's points. So, paano po yan? We just have to use our binary system. Ibig sabihin, magtutulong-tulungan po tayo na gagawa ng dalawang group nyo. Yung LSG or yung left sales group mo at saka yung RSG or yung right sales group. So, nasa slide natin, meron tayong user at retailer sa LSG natin at business partners na dalawa sa RSG. So, what if nakaipon ka or yung group mo ng 2,650 points sa left and 3,190 points sa right? Paano po yan? So, meron po tayong matrix dito. If you happen to accumulate 250 points left and right organizations or groups, your commissions is $40 in a single week. Ang rank mo dyan is sharer. Pag umabot ka naman ng 500 points left and right group mo, your commission will be $100. Ang rank mo naman believer. Pag may 1,000 points naman left and right group, $200 ang commission mo in a single week. Ang rank mo dyan is builder. Pag umabot ng 2,000 points left and right group, $400 ang weekly commission mo, achiever naman ang rank mo. And if you accumulate 3,000 points left and right groups, $600 will be your commission and director ka na ng company. Pag nag 4,000 points left and right group naman, $800 ang ibibigay ng company sa'yo, bronze director ka. And our maximum points na pwede mong i-accumulate in a week is 5,000 points left and right, which is bibigyan ka ng $1,000 commission for that week and yung rank mo is silver director. So sa example po natin, hindi po pantay yung points natin sa left and right. Ang gagawin lang dyan is kukunin yung LCD or yung least common denominator under sa categories natin. So, ang LCD ng 2,650 and 3,190 is 2,000 points left and right. So, by that week na naipon mo yung points na yon, $400 ang commission mo and achiever ka. So, ang gagawin lang yan next is i-minus sa account mo yung nagamit mong points, yung 2,000 points left and right. So, meron kang matitirang 650 points sa left, 1,190 naman sa right. So, kukunin ulit yung LCD kahit walang pumasok na points sa'yo, kunin ulit yung LCD, which is 500 points left and right, the following week, meron kang $100 na commission for that following week. Ima-minus ulit yung points na nagamit mo at meron kang matitirang 150 points and 690 points left and right. Hindi yan mawawala. That will be carryover volume points next week or the following week. Hanggat hindi nababayaran niya ng company, existing pa rin yung mga points mo na yan. Ganun po yung weekly commission natin. Third is our matching bonus. Kailangan mo lang pong i-achieve na status is PPS or yung tinatawag nating Platinum Pace Setter para makuha mo yung matching bonus. So, ang gagawin mo lang is bibigyan ka ng 8 weeks ng company para maghanap ng at least 4 business partners. So, pag nakahanap na tayo ng 4 business partners within 8 weeks time, ang next na gagawin natin is tulungan natin kumita yung mga business partners natin. For example, matulungan natin sila ng kumita ng $100 in a week, and that's 4 sila, magkakaroon ka ng 15%. Yun yung matching bonus mo. So, 4 sila, 400 times 15%, that's $60 or 2,580 in a single week. Pag i-compute naman natin, in a month, meron kang 10,320 in a month. That's your bonus. Ang maganda dyan, lifetime na yan, napapakinabangan mo. And these are fourth way of earning the leadership bonus. Ito yung napakagandang bonus natin. Ang kailangan mo lang na i-achieve na status is silver directorship. So, 4 consecutive weeks kang magiging silver director, maging gold director ka na. So, what are the benefits of being a gold director? Magkakaroon ka ng 3% profit shares worldwide. So, ibig sabihin yan, parang stockholder ka na ng company na meron nang pumapasok na 10 to 15,000 per week sa account mo. Siguradong sigurado, kahit wala ka nang ginagawa. Yun yung tinatawag nating early pension sa company natin, and that's lifetime and inherent. Ano pong ibig sabihin ng inherent? Pwede nating ipamana yung account natin. And yung account naman na pinamana natin, pwede rin ipamana yan through generations. Ganun po kaganda ang leadership bonus natin. Fifth way of earning is yung incentives natin. Habang wino-work out mo yung isa na business mo, binibigyan ka naman ng mga incentives ng company. So we have latest gadgets, we have partnership with Apple, and we have cash bonuses. I mean, lucrative cash bonuses. And you are also given international recognition and awards. And yung pinaka-favorite talaga namin is yung luxury travel. As in, luxurious travel talaga. Tinutulungan ka ng company na sagutin yung visa mo to go around the world. And ang maganda niyan, all expenses paid by the company. Yun bang magta-travel ka, hindi mo problema yung budget. And pwede kang magsama ng isang non-member. Sagot lahat yan ng company. Yun ang incentives na binibigay ng company natin. And our last way of earning is yung auto-ship. Gusto kong discuss dito kung paano natin na-maintain yung account natin sa Usana. Ito yung tinatawag nating auto-ship. So, mag-purchase ka lang at least 100 points or that's 3 or 4 or 5 products in a single month. Yun yung maintaining balance mo sa Usana. So, paano po mag-work sa atin dito? Dito po pumapasok yung residual income natin. For example, ikaw po, in 1 year, you generated 50 members left and right groups mo. So, lahat yan kukuha ng at least 100 points. So, times 100 points, that's 5,000 accumulated points left and right. So, that's 1,000 accumulated earnings in 1 month. And bigyan ko lang po kayo ng possible scenario within 3 years. Sabihin natin, you had 200 members left and right groups na kukuha every week or every month ng 100 points left and right organization mo. So, very possible, every single week, silver director ka. And ano po yung sinabi natin kanina, pag silver director ka for consecutive weeks, magiging gold director ka na nagkakaroon ng minimum of 250,000 monthly residual lifetime inherent income. Yun po ang kagandahan. So, makikita nyo po dyan na very possible po talagang mag-gold director ka kahit po sa autoship pa lang. Kahit wala kang ginagawa, nag-purchase lang ng autoship yung mga members mo sa organizations mo, magiging gold director ka na. Hindi pa po yan kasali yung nagjo-join for 500 points at kumukuha ng products na more than 100 points. Yun po ang kagandahan ng autoship natin. And yun po ang 6 ways of earning ng Usana. So, sa lahat ng napanood mo, from background ng company, sa founder, sa product, sa manufacturing, sa business plan, sa 6 ways of earning, Sa 6 ways of earning, stop it.